Hey girl, I'm back with another deep conditioner series video. For this video, I used the BCL Naturals Repair and Reconstruct Deep Conditioning Mask. So it looks like this. I bought it from Sally's and it was $10.49, so not too expensive. It doesn't come in a super large jar, but a little bit does go a long way with this product. The consistency is pretty thick. As you can see, it's kind of a brown or a tan, and it has a super clean, just very fresh, crisp, and clean scent. It's not fruity, it's not floral, it's just very clean. And like I said, a little bit does go a long way. So it's thick and it's very coating. And when you apply it to your hair, and if you are a comber, like if you like to detangle with a comb, your comb will glide through. So if you're a finger detangler, it should be a breeze as well. So I applied the deep conditioning mask in the shower, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to take my plastic cap off. So this is the state of my hair, and in my opinion, my hair looks very moisturized and just nice and supple and soft, and like it just really kind of drank in this deep conditioning mask. So from the looks of my hair at this point, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse it out. But first, let me give you some of the details on this deep conditioning mask. So like I said, the line is BCL Naturals, which is Be Care Love Naturals. And it is the Repair and Reconstruct Deep Conditioning Mask. It is supposed to strengthen, nourish, moisturize, and rebuild. Now this mask has sea kelp and aloe vera, and it also has protein, and it has carrot seed oil. So this deep conditioning mask deeply strengthens, repairs, and rebuilds critically damaged hair with nourishing minerals from certified organic sea kelp and aloe vera. The protein leaves hair feeling noticeably softer and easier to manage. It is hypoallergenic, sulfate-free, there are no harsh preservatives, it's pH balanced, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, color-safe, no GMOs, and it is gluten-free. The directions state, after shampooing, massage into wet hair and leave on for up to 30 minutes. For deep penetration, use plastic cap with moderate heat or leave on overnight. So like I said, I put my plastic cap on and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, which is what it instructs you to do. So now I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'll be back to let you know my final thoughts. But so far, I really think this is a pretty decent product, and like I said, I got it from Sally's and it was $10.49. Hey girls, so I just rinsed out the BCL Naturals Repair and Reconstruct Deep Conditioning Mask. So let me show you what it looks like. So as you can see, my hair is pretty moisturized. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I've always struggled with like super frizzy hair. So the frizz isn't anything unusual. Like I've never really been able to combat my frizz. It's still a working process, so ignore the frizz. But in terms of manageability, in terms of softness, and also I have low porosity hair, so my hair kind of like repels things. So you could probably see like water and stuff on my hair, and then there's a little bit of leave-in for the wash and go that I'm about to do. But back to the deep conditioning mask. In terms of the manageability of my hair, it's super manageable. Like when I was using my wide tooth comb to detangle, it was just gliding right through. It's super soft and just fluffy. It's just, the texture of it is just nice and kind of relaxed. This deep conditioning mask is supposed to provide strength, nourish, moisture, and rebuild. So in terms of the things that it listed, I do feel like my hair is not like snagging or catching or tangling, which I would kind of put in the category of strength. Nourishment is something that you see over time. I do feel like it's moisturized because that kind of goes with the whole tangling thing. Like yes, my hair is frizzy, but it's always frizzy. But in terms of how it feels and how I'm able to like glide my fingers through, I do feel like that I would attribute to being moisturized and then rebuild. That's something you also would see over time. I do feel like this is a very good deep conditioning mask. It's thick, it's penetrating, it helps detangle, which I noticed immediately, but when I rinsed it out, the comb just kind of glided through like butter once again. So that just reiterates the fact that it is very just coating and has pretty decent slip for a deep conditioning mask. And I feel like I could probably get 2, possibly 3 uses out of this size jar, just because it is very thick and pretty good at coating the hair strands. It's not super watery and just like running through. I'm using more of the product. Pretty much I just scoop 1 glob per quadrant and that works well. So I do feel like I can get 2 to 3 uses out of it. So I do think it is a good buy. I recommend if you see it at Sally's, pick it up and try it out. It is protein. It does have protein in it. It has quinoa based protein, so it is a protein treatment, but I do feel like it's kind of a light protein. So if you're protein sensitive, I don't think it's going to be super harsh on your hair. I think it's pretty mild mannered in terms of a protein treatment. So definitely pick it up because it is a good buy. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, and share this video. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.